In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set due date reminders in Trello. Trello is an incredible tool for organizing your tasks, projects, and goals. But to stay on top of everything, setting due date reminders can make all the difference. With reminders in place, you'll always know what's coming up and when it needs to be done, helping you manage your time more effectively. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of setting up due date notifications in Trello, so you never miss an important deadline. To get started, open your browser and go to www.trello.com. Once the page loads, locate the Login button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. On the Login page, you'll need to enter your email address. Alternatively, you can select a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft, depending on your preference. After that, enter your password and click the Login button to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard from here. Navigate to the board where you want to set a reminder. Click on the board to open it, and then find the specific card you want to track. Open that card to view its details. Inside the card, look for the Dates section. If you don't see a Dates field right away, don't worry. You can add one by clicking on the plus Add button, which will allow you to include this feature. Once the Dates section is visible, click on the Start Date if you want to set a task start time. Next, proceed to select a due date. If your task has a specific deadline, you can even set the exact time for it. Now that you've set the due date, let's make sure you get notified at the right time. Underneath the due date, you'll find the Due Date Reminder menu. Click on it, and you'll see a list of options for when you'd like to be reminded. You can choose options like 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, or even 1 hour before the deadline. Pick whatever works best for you. Once you've made your choice, click Save to confirm your changes in the date picker. Take a moment to verify that both the date and the reminder appear correctly on the card. This ensures everything is set up properly. If you're working with others and want them to receive the reminder too, make sure to add card members. You can do this by assigning teammates to the card, so they'll also be notified. Finally, double-check that notifications are enabled on your device. This step is crucial to ensure you actually receive the alerts when they're sent out. And that's it. You've now successfully set a due date reminder in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.